Check, check. Hello, everyone. Today's topic are or is pull-ups. They're excellent upper body exercise, but there's a lot of people who are unable to do them, and I was one of those people for all these years.
But no more.
Yeah, but no more. Found a new way to get myself going at it, and now I love them. And I'll show you that you can do the same thing.
You got strong like bull.
Strong like a bull, Bob. And once again, when I feel strong like bull, who knows?
There's a lot of bull flying.
Yeah, the bull is flying. We'll be there in 9 seconds.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Okay, pull-ups. I thought of every excuse not to do pull-ups.
Right.
They're bad for your shoulders. You got to have a bar. I don't like to do it. But I knew maybe it'd be a really good thing for me to do at home.
Right.
Bob was doing them. Chris, the
Yep.
pharmacist, would do them. I've got other friends, and they got their pull-up bar. And I thought, well, it's high time I do it. There's talk about these eccentric pull-ups to
Right.
get stronger if you're not strong enough.
You want to show one?
Yeah, they're a real pain in the butt. I don't like them at all. But the concept is really good.
Right.
But there's a lot easier way to do
They're
beginner.
not fun.
Yeah, you go up like this, and then you let yourself down, and then you go up like this, and you let yourself down. And I'm not buying it.
Right.
It works, and I'm saying it probably could work really good, but I think this option was a lot easier for me. You get these loop bands, yeah,
right.
and they actually call them pull-up assist bands. And a lot of manufacturers do.
Makes sense.
It does make sense, but I use these for a lot of things other
Right.
than pull-ups. But for pull-ups, you got to have your pull-up bar, and there's a few different ways to attach it. This is probably the easiest and the most common way to do it. So you do that, and I just put one knee in there. You may be able to. Now this is too short for me. I can't. I could put my foot in there and do it, but. It's just a pain in the butt, so I just put one knee in there, and it works out really good. And it's simply, I've got a pretty thick strap here. There's usually 4 or 5 of these. This is one of the heavier ones. It's a good way to start. And you simply, effortlessly do pull-ups, do them good. Up above, all the way down. Up above, all the way down.
So you feel like Superman.
Well, yeah, you can do good form.
Right.
And you can do them properly, and it works well.
And then eventually you go to a lesser band, right, Ben?
Exactly right, yeah. So that's a pretty heavy band. This is the one I'm using now.
Right.
And one of the reasons I use it now is not because I can't do it without them, but I got a shoulder injury.
Gotcha.
And it hurts my shoulder. So put that through there now. And this, so again, this is the color I'm on. I only do 10 of them right now. It's a maintenance mode. I'm not worried about getting big and strong. You can do this.
Chin-ups.
The chin-ups. Works different muscles. You get a little more bicep with this. Yeah. It is just,
There we go.
I am so happy with this
and
system.
someday you go to red.
Yeah, or, and again,
Or by yourself.
I can do them this way now.
Great.
But that hurts my shoulder a little bit, so I'm not
Sure.
going to. I felt it right there. So whether you're weak, you got a shoulder injury, or you just want to be in a maintenance mode and you don't want to work really hard, but still stay strong, I think it's a great way to work. It
Brad,
is.
yeah, actually had a good idea.
Well, say no more. So get yourself
won't.
some loops, get the pull-up bar, and you're going to have yourself doing pull-ups left and right. You
There
really
you go.
can't do it left and right because you got to use both hands. Anyways, I'm tired now, Bob. I've
Very good.
heart rate's up. Good luck, everyone.